Travis Pastrana, he's in great shape muscular-wise, but he beats up his joints. The motorcycling he does, his falls, all kinds of stuff, the trauma he goes through. And he's a top form, but the joints are not. The joints are breaking down as they do in every athlete at all ages. He comes in for help because they need it. We do chiropractic to correct joint mechanics because obviously in an accident, your joint's not moving properly. It's completely out of place, not moving. It's not dislocated, but it's subluxated. So the joints are locked and they don't move. If they don't move, that can swell and cause inflammation, pinch a nerve, cause the muscles to spasm, and cause other joints to degrade. Travis comes in with this torn cartilage, the shoulder, and the neck. So the shoulder, the cartilage underneath the ball and socket basically starts to crack. Other areas are starting to act up around it. So it's more complicated than just a labrum tear. It's usually a lot of other things going on at the same time. Neck, upper trapezius, which links the two together, the shoulder, and surrounding joints. So we have to work on all the surrounding area, not just the shoulder labrum area. And with the shoulder labrum area, we'll get the shoulder to create a proper mechanics, because when you lift your shoulder up and you got a tear in there, that tear can fold in on itself and you're just going to go, ow. So we mobilize the shoulder so that it gets the cartilage to come back to its normal self. In the surrounding area, because the surrounding area is putting tension on the shoulder, it's dysfunctioning in its movement. So we have to correct that dysfunction, and we'll do that as well. So in order to prevent injury, I like to talk to them about functional medicine or nutritional diet. There are ways around this through nutrition that puts your body in an alkaline mode, and alkalinity heals. And then we'll work on exercises starting in the extreme position. If they need more or faster treatment, we put stem cells in the area, which now will heal, say, that torn labrum. It goes in there and becomes a brand new labrum. So those are the ways I would take an athlete like Travis. And that will help with the chiropractic care to create a whole well-oiled machine of a joint and muscle structure wherever it was injured prior.